Kaunti ya Nyamira ni goli tkolia lero mugabana bwe kaunti ya Nyamira Monsinyeri Banyarakoba kumirana amona ekegoli kiabasaigia Gen Z asanyarakoba kwena libaga nago tegerera ibirengereri byabo no komirungani kwabo kwa Nyarakoba korekana asobwango bono nonye nabo magega yege ikaro ekioni go ekiombe ekyogia Gen Z Nyarakoba gekoerera ugotaisanekana amaganio gose ko gotaisaneka nengwana yaye omugabana Monsinyeri batebire egati uko murungani kwabo no kwene kiabuna aba waziri bali Abanyarekoba bagusikie myaka nabo bare asobo koreri we county ya Nyamira Abanyarekoba bakorusiwa abisina bwo kwene kiabune merobere ya botambe amagendro Nyarekoba gikiranirwa imeye county eyo bagokwana mona Ndizi TV nigo balire irangamba chikoba bakwene kianga Abanyarekoba bakorobekana asekelia bakoerero gotaisaneka nemerobere ya botambe ye county eyo ya Nyamira litukolia ngyo nigo bate barachikoba gweso kebara nabo igo korobekana sekeli batebire ni golyoka barachikoba bagoti korobekana uko chinga kibono omugabana Nyarekoba gago tegerera ebitambokero byabo nabo igo komurungane kwabo.
But as the truth can be said, we are not satisfied because he has not answered our questions up to the level that we needed him to answer. We gave him an 80% bare minimum on our questions to be yes. But the governor came here to just balance us and to play tactics of just getting away with our answers. Even some of our youths were not given chances to ask questions. A few asked questions and the time was limited because the governor claimed that he was running somewhere. We want to say we are not satisfied, and as tomorrow was planned for 8/8, the Gen Zs of Nyamira will.
And the other thing that he has said that he is going to do, that is not we don't want to hear. We want to hear that this and this and this has been done and has been completed. Number 3, we as youths, we need that the CEO, the CS to be shuffled because some are incompetent and they don't know what they are doing. So we want as youths, we want those CS to be reshuffled so that even us, the youths, we need us to be given opportunity there. We have not been given an opportunity and we are very serious on it. We promise him that tomorrow on Thursday, we as youths will be marching to the office and we will not riot anything. So we are not happy and we want to promise that we are not happy and we will not be happy until he has listened us.
Mkazi wa hapa township wote. Mkazi wa township wote. Tumefika hapa kwa sababu tumekuja kwa uzuri hapa. Tulimwambia aseme 60 years and above out. CM wa sports out. Sasa hivi vitu anakuja kutuambia amechelewa, sijui anaishi Nairobi ama wapi. Sasa si hatujui anatuambia, but kesho 8 tuko Konate saa 3 na gate wakifunga mnajua vile tunafanyanga vitu zetu, tunafungua pole pole, tunaingia wakisumbua, na come Tuesday next week tunapeleka petition kwa MCA.